How to transfer Ethereum to Solana on Phantom Wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how you can easily transfer your Ethereum to Solana on Phantom Wallet. So in order to do it, you first need to launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application, and then you just have to log in into your account if you haven't already logged in. Now once you're successfully logged in, on the home page you will be able to see a bunch of different options, but among these options you will notice the option of swap. So I simply need to tap on swap, and then you will be landed on the swap token page. Over here Solana will be selected by default, but as we want to transfer our Ethereum to Solana on Phantom Wallet, you just have to tap on this top arrow menu, and then in the search bar you simply need to search for Ethereum. Now once you search for Ethereum, you will notice that it is showing that no assets is available. It simply means that you currently cannot transfer your Ethereum to Solana on Phantom Wallet if you want to use Phantom Wallet. In order to serve this purpose, you will have to transfer your Ethereum to any other exchanges like OKX, Binance first, and from there you will be able to convert it easily. So in order to send your Ethereum, you need to select Ethereum, and then you just have to tap on the send button that you see. Then you just have to provide the Ethereum address from your exchange, and then you just have to basically send your Ethereum into any of the exchanges. There you will be able to see the convert option, and with the help of that conversion option you will be able to convert your Ethereum into Solana. If you want to do it on Phantom Wallet, then unfortunately it is not possible in the application as they haven't provided this option. For this purpose you just have to use any other exchanges. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.